This is one of those unexpected situations when high speed and obstructed vision leave totally helpless.
Okay. Hello. Nie znam ją.
As often in group riding, a moment of inattention of one biker can involve others.
She ain't really made love in a minute, love in a minute. She's all in a minute. She said she ain't never made love, let me hit it. She said that she ready for love.
Just like that, good day, complete bike, shit then, it's a wrap.
This incident has already appeared in a previous episode. However, this video shows the situation in a completely different light, showing what really was the cause of the whole accident.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Serious.
To notice, but the driver doesn't make a situation certain enough while overtaking the column of cyclists and cuts the biker off very seriously. This video shows how dangerous the completely mindless filtering is. Sudden braking the corner completely straightened the driving direction.
alles gut. Ich hab gesaved. Ja, ja, alles gut.
Despite the harmless looking accident, the rider got a lot of help from many polite people.
Yeah. I just slipped off there.
Yeah, I know, yeah. I'm on my bike. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Coming up to the smoke, I'm thinking, man, someone ran into one of the highway rails. However, as I get closer, I can see it is trash burning on the side of the road that was dumped by a garbage truck. Weird, huh? I'm thinking, maybe a battery exploded while being compressed and started leaking, causing the fire. Maybe that's why they require you to dispose of batteries properly. What do you all think might have caused this? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.
Despite the lack of adequate visibility, the driver cast the bike off thoughtlessly and without any caution.
Tesla, what are you doing? That is my fault. That's totally my fault. Oh, he's a grandpa. Totally my fault.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.